Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Forgive us our debtors as we forgive those who did against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from the evil one. We see this and we call this the Lord's Prayer, right? We see this in Matthew chapter 6 is one of the places that we see this. But I want you to notice a couple of things about this, that Jesus is deciding to teach people, his disciples, about prayer. So it's more like the model prayer. The Lord's Prayer is actually like in John 17 where Jesus is actually praying for people. But this is also not so bad. He is teaching us how to pray for other people. But notice a few things about this. One is, this is discipleship. His guys didn't know exactly how to pray. They must have been babbling off and running off at the mouth like they had seen some other people do. And he says right before he starts the Lord's Prayer that the Lord already knows what's going on in your heart. No reason to stand and ramble like we see Pharisees doing just to draw attention to yourself. But rather pray like this. So Jesus is discipling his guys. He is taking a step to make sure that he is modeling for them as well as educating them so that they can become more mature disciples of Jesus. Also notice about this prayer, it took me forever to realize this. I don't know if somebody pointed it out or what was going on. It is meant to be prayed as a group. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. It is meant to be prayed as a group, in relationship, in a discipleship relationship maybe. Jesus modeled a prayer that was built on discipleship and relationships. Relational discipleship is how Jesus did it. At Catalyst Church in Greensboro, North Carolina, that's how we do it also. If you are interested in what relational discipleship really is, you can make sure you like and subscribe to this video. You can also come see us in Greensboro, North Carolina at 10 a.m. on Sunday mornings if you're wanting to know more about this or see how this is done. But I hope these little videos are helping you out, helping you understand discipleship a little bit more, as well as giving you some insight and maybe some models, some steps to take, some goals to put on the wall so that you are still following Jesus and becoming a mature disciple of Jesus.